so excited to talk to you about this. So what we have created is the Brand Your Ish Bootcamp course. It's a DIY course for entrepreneurs who want to build a business that makes money. So over 7 classes, I will be teaching you how to find a profitable target market, how to create gifts and lead magnets for that audience so that they know, love, and trust you, how to create a one-on-one high-end program, how to sell that one-on-one high-end program, how to develop a practical marketing plan so that you can consistently get in front of your target audience. Because guess what? If they can't find you, they can't hire you. Next, we're going to dig in. I will show you how I design my photo shoot, my rockstar photo shoot board, my storyboard, because first impressions matter and you need to have a photo shoot for your brand sooner rather than later. Lastly, we're going to cover the tools, the systems, the programs, the software that you need in your business so that it is running smoothly behind the scenes. It's so critical that you have this in place so that you are focused on building your profitable brand. In addition to that, you will get 18 bonus master classes from experts who have proven themselves and have built a bankable brand on their own terms. So what can I say? I am 100% committed to you winning in business. That's my #1 job in my brand consulting business. And it's why I create everything, every event, every class, every program. It's tied back to you winning in business. When I started my business in 2009, I spent the first 3 years completely lost. Tons of trial and error, tons of not having food to eat, tons of time of my electricity being off, tons of time of me having a one-way ticket on the bus, on the subway, and finding money to come back. I mean, I have stories for days. I'll share this in a book one day, but I just want you to have a shortcut to having a consistent way of growing your business, of getting clients in your business, and not having to worry about going back to a 9-to-5. It's for you to have that shortcut to making that happen. And I'm committed to you doing that. So the only missing piece to this puzzle is that you have to make that commitment too, to do whatever it takes to take what you learn and put it into action so that you can start seeing results sooner rather than later. So if you know this class is for you, sign up. I am here for you to support you. And not only that, your peers and your students will be supporting you as well. So with that being said, this is Nicole K. Lindy, your money-making brand strategist, and I will see you soon.